Today's big Bible story! Make it.
Let's color a fun picture for the story of creation. You'll start with the blank page and color the picture like this. You'll color animals, the sky, Adam and Eve, lots of fun stuff. So first, choose a color to begin with, and we're going to practice coloring inside the lines. See all these shapes here? I want you to practice coloring inside the lines like this. You can make the tree trunks brown and the leaves green. The elephant can be gray, or you can choose your own colors, of course. Whichever colors you choose, practice coloring inside the lines. Now when you get to Adam and Eve, color their skin and their leaf clothes, like this. Then for the sky, this light blue is really nice. And finally, fill in the letters that say "in the beginning." And now it's your turn to color your own picture. It can look like this or a little different. So grab your colors and have fun.